What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to make a video on how the StatTrak swap tool works. So as you can see, I have two MP7s here, and I'm going to want to swap my StatTrak, my 590 kills off of this MP7 to this brand new one that I just bought here. So this one has 0. So just want to mention one thing off the bat. You can only swap it from the same weapon to the same weapon. So it has to be a StatTrak MP7 skin to a StatTrak MP7 skin. It can be from a purple to a blue. It can be from a battle scarred to a factory new, but they both have to be StatTrak MP7 skins. This can't be like a regular MP7 armor core, otherwise this tool won't work. So keep that in mind. It has to be the same weapon and they both have to be StatTrak skins. So now that I said that, go to the store tab up here. I already have it selected, but go to tools and then go to StatTrak swap tool. So I'm going to buy this. It comes in a pack of 2, so I can swap it back if I ever want to, which I will, but I'm going to buy this. I may make a jump cut over my payment info and then I'll come back. So I'm going to click right here and then click right here to buy it. Okay, I bought it. I made a jump cut over my payment info. I have the StatTrak swap tool, and I'm going to go to my inventory now. So I got 2 of them, just so I can swap back if I want to. And I'm going to go to everything. Okay, so I'm going to open this StatTrak swap tool up. I'm going to pick my first MP7, and you'll see automatically it's filtered out every single skin I have, and it picks the only valid one, which fits the rules I mentioned earlier. Only another StatTrak MP7 skin. So I'm going to pick this. It does a little animation. All right, 590 to this one. Accept. And just like that, I've used up one of them. So I only have one left. And now if I inspect my new MP7, it's moved over my StatTrak kills to it. And my old one, you'll see there's got this little updated thing. If I inspect it, it's got 0 now. So that is how the StatTrak swap tool works, guys. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll answer them. And drop a like if you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.